Well, hello there. I'm so glad that you have joined in. Today, we are going to talk about Picmonkey and how you can use Picmonkey to make your social media posts. I absolutely enjoy working with Picmonkey and Canva. I know a lot of people are talking about Canva, but I would like to touch base on Picmonkey. So I do know a lot of people were using Picmonkey before Canva, and then all of a sudden Canva blew up into this great platform to create ads and social media. But Picmonkey is just as good, and there are features on Picmonkey that are not on Canva. So I actually go between both of them. Today I'm not walking you through Picmonkey, I'm just showing you where you would go to be able to create your social media posts. So what you will do when you open up Picmonkey is you will click on Create New, and then you will scroll down to Templates and it will take you here. You will click on Create New and you will scroll down to Templates and it will take you here. And just putting your cursor into the search bar will allow you to see all the options they give to you on what you want to design. So if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can. And those are the thumbnails. And this is great because Picmonkey actually gives you pre-designs and templates of thumbnails that are more modern than Canvas. More modern with that creativity and style and vibrant and font style that you see a lot of YouTubers that are making. You can also go back. All you do is X out, click back on the search bar, and then you can go on to Instagram post and you can do the same thing. You can create a post, you click on it and it automatically loads your image, and then you're free to edit whatever you like. If you want to change the person here, you can. If you want to change the writing here, the background color. So that is where they give you all these options here when you want to change background, graphics, touch up, effects, all of that good stuff. So again, you X out, click on the search bar, and then you can see that you can do a Facebook event cover if you want to hold an event. YouTube channel art. This is great because this is what you would put for your channel when you create your YouTube page, your image at the top. They give you lots of templates. For example, this is what you will mainly see. Now, although this is a larger frame or canvas, but when you upload it, it will pretty much just show this part right here. So you have different templates for your channel art. Click it out, click on the search bar, and then again you can go down and do Pinterest, presentation, resume, flyer. So this is just really great to play around with and go on. Again, this is called Picmonkey, and this is actually a faster way to create a quick ad or a thumbnail or an Instagram post is on Picmonkey, in my opinion. Canva, you have a little bit more steps to do. It can be just as fast once you learn it, but for me, Picmonkey is a little bit quicker when I want to create something really fast. And then when you're done, you just go to download, and then you'll pick which type, and PNG or JPEG. So this is great as well on Picmonkey, and they also give you a PDF offer as well, or if you want to share it. So I hope this was helpful to show you another platform that you can use. It's called Picmonkey, Picmonkey, when creating your social media posts or when keeping up with your social media. Until next time, goodbye, and I'll see you on another tutorial. Please make sure that you like, share this channel.